Hi and welcome to my new video. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I upload watch related content, so thank you. Now let's go to the topic of this video, and that is setting the time and date on the DW-5700. So let's start. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the adjust button, that's the upper left button, and the seconds digit should start flashing. Let me zoom in that for you so you have better access and better view. Since this is a negative display screen, I'm hoping you will be able to see the digits. So we have the seconds flashing currently, and now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by pressing this button on top. So when I press it, the seconds will reset. Pressing the mode button moves the blinking to the hour hand, the hour value, and you can shift that value by pressing the upper right button, that's the ALM on button, and each press of the button will increase or decrease the value of hours. Now the cool thing about this watch is when you want to shift to the between AM or PM settings or the 12 or 24-hour time format, while one of these digits is flashing, let's say an hour is flashing, simply press the light button and the watch will enter the 24-hour time format or 12-hour format, depending on how would you like it. So let's keep pressing until I get to the time I want. So currently it's 21 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to 21 o'clock. Next press of the mode button, that's this button over here, shuffles us to setting the minutes. Again, pressing the upper right button will increase the value, and pressing and holding it will start fast scrolling the value. So it's 21:02. I'm gonna leave it at 03. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the year value. Currently it's set to 2011, but I'm gonna go to 2020 by pressing this button over here. So 2020. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the month value. The month is November, so keep pressing this button up top until you get to the number 11. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting day value, and pressing and holding this button will eventually get us to 27th, which is today's date. So pressing this button up top will get us to number 27. Next press of the mode button gets us back to the beginning and setting the seconds value or resetting it. So basically we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. Once you're done, simply press the adjust button once and the watch will implement all of those settings. That would be the basics of setting the time and date. Thank you very much for watching. As I said, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are into watch related content. So thank you.